Relax your mind and let your conscience be free. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Whitley Green, Season 4, A Hidden Gem. We're going to cut the backyard this time. Oh yeah. Some of you probably didn't like what I had to say in my last video. Well, if you didn't like that, listen to this. There was a 24-year officer who was killed days ago. 24-year-old female officer set to receive a master's degree. Who do you think did it? A crazy ex? Crazy neighbor? No, 4 teenagers who had criminal history, who shouldn't have been out on the street. That's who killed her, ambushed her after she got off work. According to reports, they were just involved in robberies before they apparently attempted to rob this officer and ultimately killed her. You know, a couple months ago, maybe even longer, there was a off-duty female officer who saved a guy from being attacked or robbed by a few other guys. She saves him. So you know what this guy turns around and does? He attempts to rob the officer who saved him. It was all captured on video. She's off duty. She saves him. He probably didn't realize she was an officer. He probably thought he could take advantage of her too. So he tries to take her gun. So she fights him off and she shoots and kills him in self-defense, as she should have. Do you know how these guys got caught? The youngest of the 4 calls a friend and says, "Hey, saw what happened on the news? We did that." The friend tells a parent. Parents call the police. The police say, "Oh yeah, call him again and get him to admit it again and we'll record the whole thing." You know why this happens? Because we celebrate these thugs. We celebrate them more than we celebrate people who will go off to receive a master's degree. That's why. We have a fascination with death and destruction. It's cool. You're real. Let me get out of here. You guys know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.